Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about the GGDT 114 Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. Now today's topic is population structure and characteristics. Now today we are going to learn this topic. Name is population composition, religions, linguistic, ethics, marital and educational attainment. The student, this is the very important topic. You'll be discussion from the last lecture from the sex ratio and its sex ratio in India. Student friends, now today's topic will be discussed from the population composition of religious, linguistic, ethics, marital, and educational attainment. Now go to the one by one. Topic number 4 is population structure and characteristics. Now age and sex structure, concept of aging population, dependency ratio, sex ratio, definition affecting factors of sex ratio in India, population composition, religious, linguistic, ethic, marital, and educational attainment, literacy, definition, measures and literacy. Last point is literacy of in India. Now student will be discussed for one by one. First of all the some religions. What is mean by religions? You will discuss from the religions what is mean by religions. And now this is the concept of religions very each. And now this is the population growth rates of the various religion has become down in the last decades in the 2001 2011. Now Indo population growth rate is showed down is 16.76 from the previous decade figures in 1992, while the Muslim witness a sharp fall in growth rate is 24.60%. Now religions is a cultural factor. Now it is very important here. The religion is a culture factor. Every religion has its own life philosophy. Means now every religion has its code of the conduct for its followers. Now the most of the family children are taught basic principle of religions right from the birth rate. Now various religions groups of the population are therefore under the influence of the various religions. Now it is a historical past religious where wars where the regions like Europe, Israel, etc. In this past, religions play as a more important role than that in the present circumstance. Now, religious is considered very responsible for the partition of the Indian subcontinent into the India and Pakistan. Religions is responsible for the integrations as well as the disintegration of the society. For example, Jews spread all over the world, come to the Israel, and after Israel is created. Now, so what is meant by the concept of the origin of religions? Each one of the has the set of the belief, sentiment and value that is bind us together as the member of specific groups and set apart from the various such as the specific groups into the society. It includes the religious as well as the secular thought pattern of those groups. We many designate of the value system, ethos, tradition, major themes of the society, even religions. The term of religions, however, it is not easy to define because it has so many such facts as a mention about the many more. In simple terms, religions may be defined as the man's behalf of the supernatural, or it is aroused as a feeling, a way to pray to in him. In our what is the considered scare? That this religion is considered to be any form of faith from the motheism of an actual worship. Now, even magic, as long as it contains some element of reverence of the spiritual nature, in fact, it is difficult to distinguish as to their religious part of the ideology and of the proponents. Means, this is a secular thought of the pattern begun. If the, for example, Confucianism is usually considered among the religious, although the founder actually thought the ethic daily life. And governmental bureaucracy as a practice, it is the politico-ethical state culture among the traditional societies such as in India, religions in all the prevailing force. By the comparison in modern commercial industrial societies, religious has a retreat as to the modern modest position and communist society of official ideology and aesthetic, but religions still persist of individual level. Religions means these are the some here will be discussion from the religions. Now, for example, among all the various social characteristics of population, religions is important in this same influence in various types of demographic behavior Now, while the sociologist studies religion from the various angles, demographic treat as a variable when studying marriage or fertility, mortality, migration, and it studies which is the emphasis of relationship between the religious and the application of fertility behavior of numerous social theater customs and practices regarding marriage as a greatly influence the intent to of religions. Hence it is become necessary to study age of marriage and the solutions of the marriage, the practice of widow marriage and the prevalence of the polygamy. Now, the relation of the religious appellations and understanding this is the practice regarding the marriage is important. In the study of fertility and social fertility is affected the them. The acceptance of family planning is the status of women religions are all interrelated. For the study of fertility, it is necessary to know the religious appellation of the groups, that is the are studies for the diet of the people and their customs and practices, personal and social hygiene are generally influenced by the religions. Even migration, internal as well as international, is greatly influence of religions. The variable religions has thus come to the occupy the important position of demographic analysis, as some difficulties are experienced while the collecting of classified information of the religions applicating of the people at the international level. These types of demographic analysis is undertake only the national level. In the social structure of society, religious occupies as an important position. Therefore information of religious has been collected since the inpatient and the censor operations prior to the independence. However, the greater emphasis was placed on the variable, the data, religions, appellations, where the cross-classified other variables such as age, sex, and marital status, literacy, rural, urban residence. The earlier census reported content to detail the discussion of the various religions group in India, the differential growth of their groups and analysis of regions. For such differential growth was undertaken by census holder since independence. However, in the analysis of census data, emphasis that has shifted from the religions or the economic aspect of the population. Now, this is the some demographic analysis of the religions usually undertaken by the describing the percentage of distribution of the people in various religions groups. The type of analysis is done by sex and rural under urban residents for various states and union territory write up this district level may be in consider. Now here will be discussion for Israel and servo engineer surrounding the Arab nations due to the religious solidarity. 6 million Jews were killed by the Nazis during the Second World War. Israel and divided into Northern Ireland and Republic of Ireland due to the ill feeling between the Roman Catholic and Protestant. Now, northern Iceland is dominated by Protestant, southern part of the dominated by Roman Catholic. Many religions against family planning influence the growth of population. Religions also influence the migration since the people of the one religions normally prefer to live together. Economic activity is indirectly influenced by the religious considerations. Now, since the Muslims do not consume pork and poultry, which could not be British and Middle East. Similarly, in India, we have not consume as Hindus, we have industry, therefore they could be flourish in India. In short, religious indirectly influence the food habits, living condition, and economic activities of the people. It is therefore very necessary to study religions composition of population and its consequence. Major religions of the people world is Christian, Islam, and Hindus, Buddhism, which is also religious group is from Jews, Sikhs, and Jains, etc. Now here Indian society of divided into the large number of religions communities. Broadly, there are the seven major religions. The majority of the people follow one of the seven major religions. There are the Hindu, Islam, Christian, Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Zoroastrianism. Now here, Hindus are the largest religions community of India according to 2001 census. 80.5% of the population follow the regions. Follower of the religions is more concentrated in the northern plains of northern part of the plateau region. However, they are sufficiently numerous in all part of the country, except in the few northeast state of the Union Territory of the Lakshadweep. But the distribution of other religious communities and less communities of the there are only some pockets in which they have the larger concentrations. Now, the largest number of the Muslim population is Uttar Pradesh, followed the West Bengal, Bihar. But the Muslim population make the large proportion of the total population in Jammu Kashmir and Union Territory of Lakshadweep. Now, apart of this above mentioned state of Union Territory, the other state of the Muslim have the significant presence. Now is Assam and Kerala. Now, if we look the special distribution, then it is observed that the most of this state stretch over the northern Great Plains, except Kerala, Jammu and Kashmir. Now, here will be discussion from the largest concentration of Christians found in the state of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. But is look to proportion of total population that is found as some of the northeastern of the name Mizoram, Meghalaya, Nagaland. As far as the Sikhs in concerned from the 3.4% of Sikh population is found in Punjab alone. Besides the Punjab neighboring district of Haryana, Rajasthan also is concentration of Sikh population. Apart from this state, Tarai region, Uttarakhand, Capital Territory, Delhi have a significant number of Sikhs population. As far as the Buddhist and Jain concentration of Maharashtra is largest number of the population both of religions. Apart from Maharashtra, traditional pockets and Buddhist are the Ladakh area, Jammu and Kashmir. Dharmashala and the surrounding district is Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. Similarly, besides this, Maharashtra Jains have significant presence of the state of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Zoroastrian are very few the number of most of them found in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Now here, Hindu is the 79.80% and around the 28%. Muslim is of 14.20%, around 2%. Christian is 2.30%, around 4%. Now Sikh is 1.7.1 now. The Buddhist, these are the some 0.70%. Now here all is religions with the populations. Now India is has also great deal the linguistic diversity of physical environment. Now the language spoken at the delicate number of the hundreds in 1961 and then different languages will be 162 1600 500 to the languages spoken in the delicate in the different list in mother tongue of India. Now here literacy very important here to the Maharashtra now is some educational attainment very important. Now one of the these only 23 languages together account is the 97 total populations of the country. Out of the 23 now numerically major languages constitute of Indian recognized only 18 languages beside the English 18th schedule of constitutes the languages Assami, Bengal, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, Gujarati, Oriya, Punjabi, Kashmiri, Sikh, संस्कृत त्यानंतर कोकणी सिंधी नेपाळी मणिपुरी उर्दू out of the mentioned 18 language Hindi is spoken most of the people where the Sanskrit is spoken at least. Now the language is also very silently in terms of the meaning of different words of the pronunciations. Now this is the people speaking one particular language speak in the with some difference in vocabulary and pronunciation from one place to the another. Such variation in the way of the speaking of the language lead to the emergence of delicate in the language. Now, delicate is the something skin of the part of the some language. They can be thought of the regional languages also. Now, some example of the delicates of Hindi, Rajasthani, Haryani, Bhojpuri, Puri, delicates, etc. Language is important constituent is the culture and various languages there the delicate are spoken of the different part of the India. Now it makes the Indian culture rich and diversified. Also the language have a more almost complete regional identity of in the country, and the distribution of major languages has been considered on the basis of the reorganization of the state after the independence. On the basis of the numerical strength, India has been divided into 12 principal linguistic language. Now so linguistic regions in an area in which most of the people speak in common language. Languages forming linguistic regions in India: Kashmiri, Punjabi, then Hindu, Urdu, and Bengali, Assami, Oriya, Gujarati, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and Kannada and Malayalam. Though all the languages spoken in India seem to be different from each other, they cannot be grouped into the four linguistic families on the basis of roots and genesis. Now, four the linguistic families are: the first one is the rustic family, Nishanda. Now, the Dravidian family in the Dravida, then Sino-Tibetan family, Indo-European family. These are the four families, linguistic family in India. Now, will be discussed from the specific rustic family was spoken by the tribal people in Meghalaya, Assam, and the Andaman Nicobar Island in part of central Indian tribal belt, especially in the district of Santal Paragram and Ranchi and Mayurbhumi. Now, the language of delicate is the Sino-Tibetan family is spoken by the tribal people in the northeastern regions of the country and the sub-Himalayan region in the north and northern west. The language is spoken of the people living in the Ladakh and Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, the part of Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim also. The speakers of the language is Dravidian family are the most numerous in the southern part of the India. Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala, the state of which is the language is spoken by majority of the population. A large number of the tribals living in the Peninsula Plateau region is it also speak the speech in the family. Now, here the speaker of the language is Indo-Aryan family is a concentration more than northern part of the country and also a central part. Now, entire the North Indian plants is inhabited in the speakers of the family. Meghalaya, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh is also large population is speaker. This is the language. The proportion of the speakers of languages in different families into the total population is significantly. While the Aryans, Indo-European family language are spoken by more than 70% of the people in Sino-Tibetan languages are spoken only about 0.80% of the population, and Dravidian language also spoken by about 20% of the populations. Now this is the ethnic diversity of the ethnic diversity. One of the most population composition is the social complexity found in the most complex society. Historically, it is a legacy of the consequent the broad diverse spatial under the rule of the dominant groups. Now, ethnicity refers to differentiation of group people who is shared culture meaning, memories, and descent produced through the social interaction. Ethnicity is considered the shared characteristics of culture such as culture, language, religions, tradition, which is contributed by person of the group identity. Now, Indo-Aryan is 70% proportion and Dravidian is 25% and Mongolian and other minority groups is 32%. These are the some ethnic groups and shared by the populations over here. Now, definition of ethnicity. The ethnic groups or ethnicity is the category of the people who is identified which is each other base of the similarity such as the common ethnicity, languages, society, culture and nations. Ethnicity is usually the inherent state based on the society in which one lives. Membership of ethnic groups tends to be defined by the shared culture, heritage, ethnicity, origin, mytho, then history, homeland, a language, delicate, symbolic systems such as religious, mythology, ritual, and classification, dressing style, art, and physical appearance. The ethnic groups has been defined as a group of regard itself or is regard by the other distinct community. Virtue is a certain characteristics that will help to the distinct group from the surrounding communities. Now, proportion of marriage among the person belonging the reproductive age group in the total population, their age marriage, proportion of drivers, age of times, lives, all the closely related to the fertility. Laws are custom related to the marriage and all the standardized in the society of maintain the existence of the society. Minimum legal age of marriage in various countries is different. Many countries have the law related to minimum legal age at marriage. For societies where economy is based on agriculture, the age at marriage is the general law. While the societies where is economy is based on manufacturing and age of marriage is generally high in the Indian minimum level. This is the marital status. Important here to the marital status. This is the marital status from the India. Now, Indian marital status are important to the generally marriages from the different way. Now, in the minimum legal age of marriage, then some important aspect of the year. Now, this is the educational conditions from the people. Now, this is the important aspect of the marital status, that is the study of characteristic population include the study of distribution of person according to the marital status. You are like sex, age, marital status it is not biological ascribed characteristics but is acquiring characteristic. The study of the population marital status is useful several reasons. Now, these are the several reasons marriage involves the first steps of the formation of biological family, since the most societies reproduction take place over the wedlock. With the marital status distribution is an important factor for affecting fertility. Other related factor becoming the proportion of person who never the married is the proportion of person is especially females in the product age groups. Now 15 to 44 the age at marriage, the proportion of those marriages have been dissolved by death or divorce, the age of time and dissolve the marriages. The pattern of marital status distribution of any society is determined by the combined effect of various biological, social, economic and religious of legal factors affecting marriage. For instance, an universality of marriage in India may be explained by pointing out that it almost of the Hindus who form the 80 to 71% of the population. Marriage is essential primarily to the enable of man fulfill of the duties associated with the second stage of the life. Now, this will as the progressive pleasure from the woman in marriage is essential because though the man goes through the many sacraments and through his life, marriage of the only in a sacrament. Now, it is allowed. Female marry young in India because of the influence of Hindu regions. These factors have resulted in the demographic fact that is India. The proportion of women who never marry in much smaller than many other countries. For example, in India, another one another pattern of the Islam, Ireland is resulted in the peculiar social, economic, political condition of the country. This Irish people is a neo-local for the long time. It is a sense that is immediately after marriage, and man expected to set up the independent residence, not take in the brides and the father's home. Now, a man therefore must be have the own land, which is postponed wedding with the land one. Now, these are the some sources of data of the study of marital status and classification according to marital status. United Nations have the recommended by individual should be classified with the single never following the five categories. Single means never married, married but not only legally separated, widow is not married, divorced and not married, and married but is legally separated. These are the some classified for marriage analysis. Marriage analysis for the differently never married, current married, widows and divorced separately. These are the marital status in selected countries where we are. Now, age at marriage is different in females and 80 years and male is 21 years. Well being society depends on the proportion of unmarried, married, widow, or divorce in society. The studies are related to marital status of society is quite significant. Age at marriage is decided how much of the reproductive age group is going to utilize, which is the term decided birth rate. Birth rate is for the societies are high if the age at marriage is low. In many developing countries, age marriage is boys and girls is generally low. On the other hand, the many developing countries, age at marriage both are boy is high. Proportion of marriage is among the persons belonging the advanced age groups is generally high. Among the married, monogamy is common. Polygamy as a common societies, it will 17th century all the development countries, even the developing countries like India, now the monogamy is in force and the law. These are the some changes. Now here will be discussion from the marital status, very important. Now different with literacy and educational attainment. Another one more important factor. So one of the important indicators of social development is the level of one of the indicators of the social development is the literacy educational attainment. A high level of the which is considered to be the important factor the process of modernization. Education is an important variable affecting demographic behavior concerning marriage, fertility, mortality, migration, as well as the participation of labor forces. Several evaluations are available in the literature covering demographic research in support for the claim. In the number of research studies, a clear-cut negative relationship has been established between the educational level, women and their fertility. The age of females at marriage is another demographic variable which is influenced by the level of educational attainment. Even infant mortality found to be affected by the educational status of the year. Now, the finding of fertility and these are the some Great Bombay. Now, Educational Institute of Population Studies provide the research evidence of the many disease relationship. The average 8 marriages as the currently married woman as was the highest, and those who are either graduate who had the studied beyond that level. While the lowest as the literate and semi-literate women, the indirect relationship between the educational attainment of women, their fertility, and direct relation between the educational attainment and their practice of family planning was also observed. Infant mortality rates were lower than those mothers where the maturate and hand studied beyond the level. This is youth of statistic literacy and educational attainments are many. The level of social development of different countries, religions, even in various political divisions in the same country may be compared on the basis of these types of information. This is statistic are also useful for providing the basis for preparations of the development plans as well as the formulation of the education policy. These are the some data will be considered will be collected from the educational attainment and literacy data will be considered here. Now, student will be discussion from the population composition, these religions composition, ethic composition, then linguistic composition, then marital status composition, then educational attainment composition will be discussed. Now, student, any doubt, any query, ask me anytime right now. Write a mail bharatgadak@ktchmcollege.ac.in. Now, student, today we will stop here and remaining part will next lecture to be continued. Okay, good day, bye bye.